think we played against a top nation. Of course, there's still, I'm sure Spalletti is still discovering about the players and trying to get his ideas across. You could see they used the ball well at times, and it was a high-level game. Both teams high level, so I was really pleased with the way we controlled the game.
Guys, Southgate, the head coach of the England national team here, speaks after the huge beat against Italy, and of course the 3 goals is scored by Harry Kane, and of course the second goal was scored by Marcus Rashford. In fact, those were the inclusion and impressive goals that in one way or another enabled the England to qualify for the Euro 2024. And here the head coach also applauds of the great performance of the Jude Bellingham, the youngster of Real Madrid Football Club, for the incredible performance. Of course, he used to say that despite many players showing their performance, the high performance, but Jude Bellingham remains as one among the players to whom they showed the top class performance, and of course he appreciates and he loves to see such kind of passion and such kind of performance. So far, he wishes and he thinks that England is going to win the Euro 2024, and it should be clear and noted that this was just